Question: should rap artists and their producers be held liable for the violence that they promote? Answer from ChatGPT. The question of whether rap artists and their producers should be held liable for the violence that their music may promote is a complex and contentious issue. It involves considerations related to freedom of expression, artistic creativity, societal influence, and individual responsibility. Here are some key points to consider. Freedom of expression. Artistic expression is protected as a form of free speech in many democratic societies. Holding artists and producers liable for their music's content raises concerns about censorship and infringing upon this fundamental right. Artistic creativity. Music is often a reflection of an artist's experiences, emotions, and perspectives. Many artists use their music to address societal issues, tell stories, or express their own realities, including experiences with violence. Limiting artistic freedom may stifle creative expression. Audience responsibility. It's essential to recognize that individuals have a degree of responsibility for their choices and actions. While music can influence attitudes and behaviors, it does not compel individuals to commit violent acts. People have agency in deciding how they interpret and respond to art. Parental guidance. Parental guidance and monitoring play a crucial role in determining what content is appropriate for individuals, particularly young people. Parents and guardians are responsible for helping children understand the context and impact of the media they consume. Industry self-regulation. The music industry often has its own guidelines and standards for content. Artists and record labels may voluntarily adhere to these guidelines or provide content warnings when necessary. Social and economic factors. It's essential to recognize that violence and criminal behavior have complex root causes, including socioeconomic factors, systemic issues, and personal circumstances. Blaming music alone oversimplifies the problem. Ultimately, holding rap artists and their producers legally liable for the promotion of violence in their music would raise significant ethical and legal challenges. It's generally more effective to address concerns about the potential negative impact of music through education, open dialogue, parental involvement, and responsible media consumption. Additionally, addressing the broader societal issues that contribute to violence is a more comprehensive approach to reducing real-world violence. Question: why are producers taking out insurance with music and for artists that promotes violence? Answer from ChatGPT. Producers and artists may choose to take out insurance policies that cover various aspects of their music careers, including those that promote themes of violence, for several reasons. Controversy and liability. Music that promotes violence or contains controversial themes can attract negative attention, including potential legal issues. Producers and artists may want to protect themselves against potential lawsuits or legal challenges related to their content. Insurance can provide financial coverage in case of legal disputes. Event cancellations. Artists often perform live concerts and events. If their music is associated with controversy, there may be a higher risk of event cancellations due to protests, safety concerns, or venue restrictions. Event cancellation insurance can help mitigate financial losses in such cases. Property damage. Concerts and music videos sometimes involve elaborate sets, props, and equipment. In the event of property damage caused by protests, vandalism, or accidents, insurance can cover the costs of repairs or replacements. Liability for injuries. If attendees or participants at concerts or music video shoots are injured, artists and producers could potentially face liability claims. Liability insurance can help cover legal costs and potential settlements. Reputation management. Controversial music can impact an artist's or producer's public image and brand. Some insurance policies may include coverage for reputation management and crisis communication in the event of negative publicity. Contractual obligations. Record labels, promoters, and venues may require artists and producers to carry certain types of insurance as a condition of working together. Meeting these contractual obligations is essential for maintaining professional relationships. It's important to note that insurance for music and artists is a complex and customized area of coverage. The type and extent of insurance a producer or artist obtains will depend on various factors, including the nature of their work, their level of fame, their financial situation, and the specific risks they anticipate. While insurance can provide financial protection, it's not a replacement for responsible behavior and ethical considerations. Artists and producers should still be mindful of the potential impact of their content on society and the responsibility that comes with their creative choices.